Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the kitchen. There's no cooking today, but I will be doing a deep clean of the cabinets. If you're new here, welcome.
So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it.
The cleaner that I'm using is a mixture of warm water, vinegar, and Dawn dish soap.
We were just broken, shattered, singing.
I'm gonna use the vacuum to get whatever bits and pieces that are on the top. Then I'll start wiping with a damp cloth and dry with a dry microfiber cloth.
In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
This cabinet usually has most of the grease buildup just because it's above the stove and microwave.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters.
I try to do a detailed deep clean of the cabinets, I would say every couple of months. But let me know, how often do you guys do a really deep clean on your kitchen cabinets?
We'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face.
The main idea was to deep clean the kitchen cabinets, but now it's turning to clean everything. Let me know if you're like this. You start with cleaning one thing and you just move on to everything else. The microsham I'm using is from Autoban. It helps to get rid of smudges and fingerprints and leaves all surfaces streak free.
Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes.
I'll make sure I have every product I use listed in the description box below.
City dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
I go over the island about 3 times just to get rid of all the streak marks.
On the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down.
Can't forget the sink. The sink has to be cleaned after every dishwashing session. My camera died during filming, so we're coming to the end of the video. As always, thanks for the continued support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!
Handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay. Met you at a time.